Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that's often overlooked, the role of proper nutrition in muscle building. Proper nutrition is a key ingredient in your muscle building journey, whether you're an athlete, a bodybuilder, or simply looking to increase your muscle mass. So, let's jump right in and explore why it's so important. Reason number 1, muscle protein synthesis. Your muscles are made up of protein, and consuming an adequate amount is crucial for growth and repair. When you engage in resistance training, small tears occur in your muscle fibers. Proper protein intake stimulates muscle protein synthesis, which helps build and rebuild muscle tissue. Next up, reason number 2, energy for workouts. Proper nutrition provides the fuel your body needs for intense exercise. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for high-intensity workouts. They are converted into glucose, which powers your muscular contractions. By ensuring sufficient carbohydrate intake, you'll have the energy and endurance to perform your workouts effectively, leading to better muscle building results. Reason number 3, muscle recovery. Exercise puts stress on your muscles, and proper nutrition aids in their recovery. Consuming enough calories and a balanced macronutrient profile support the repair and growth of muscle tissues. Plus, essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants help reduce inflammation and promote faster recovery. Moving on to reason number 4, hormonal balance. Nutrition plays a role in maintaining optimal hormone levels, such as testosterone, growth hormone, and insulin like growth factor 1, IGF-1. These hormones are closely tied to muscle growth and repair. By consuming a well-rounded diet that includes healthy fats, you can positively influence hormone production, supporting your muscle building efforts. Reason number 5, nutrient timing. It's not just about what you eat, but when you eat it. Paying attention to nutrient timing can enhance muscle building. Consuming a combination of protein and carbohydrates before or after a workout can maximize muscle protein synthesis and replenish glycogen stores, aiding in recovery and muscle growth. Lastly, reason number 6, body composition. Proper nutrition helps achieve a healthy balance between muscle mass and body fat. This balance is crucial for overall health and athletic performance. Adopting a balanced diet and incorporating regular exercise can increase muscle mass while minimizing fat gain, resulting in a favorable body composition. Remember, nutrition is not a one-time effort, but a consistent and long-term commitment. It's about finding a sustainable approach that works for you and supports your muscle building goals. So, there you have it. The importance of proper nutrition for muscle building. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and information. Keep fueling your body right and watch those muscles grow. See you in the next video.